Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome beef venison kofta sandwich. It sounds kind of out there, but it's really pretty easy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm doing this over an open fire, so this is a great way to have your family cook when you're on a camping trip, or to invite people to the backyard if you have a big enough one where you can have a nice fire. First, I wanted to tell you that I've got my peppers in here and I'm roasting them because I'm gonna make an awesome marinated pepper relish to go on the Indian sandwich. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take a little bit of oil and oil up your pan. And you see that's nice and hot. It looks like we're gonna get a great brown on our beef and venison. And the next thing, I've got beef and venison I ground fresh today in my Weston meat grinder. If you don't have one, you need one. They are amazing. Okay, so I've got some parsley and some mint that I'm putting right in there, and mint is always great and is a must in this recipe. And then I've got some cumin, salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne because I just love cayenne, and some onions. I minced the onions and then I drained them so that they wouldn't have a lot of liquid in them. Now I'm mixing this up really well. So I got some little popsicle sticks here, and I'm gonna take some of my venison beef mixture, shape it around the stick, and I'm gonna place it right over here in my hot pan. Listen to that sizzle. And you know, beef and venison you can eat rare. So don't forget that when you're making these, although they're gonna be great anyway. While the kofta is in the pan cooking, smelling great, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what we're gonna do with the peppers. As soon as they're charred, I'm gonna put them in a bowl and put something on top of it, just so inside the bowl it steams. I'm gonna take off the skin of the red pepper, and then I'm just gonna tear it into pieces, remove the seeds, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of vinegar, dill, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and that's it. And this is gonna be one of the best things that you can put in your mouth. I'm gonna remove these right over here, and I'm gonna heat up a piece of this awesome Indian bread. As soon as it gets heated, I'm gonna plate it up. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna put some of these great looking marinated peppers, one of my kafta balls, and a little bit of yogurt. Just look at that. I bet you wanna have some now, don't you?